Hello Sebastian, this is Aaron from Voss Motors and I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2006 BMW R1200RT. It currently has 84,023 kilometers on it. The asking price is $7,999 plus HST and licensing. It is a 1200 1170cc air-cooled 2-cylinder touring bike. As you can see, it's very big, very large, and very comfortable. Very upright seating position, very comfortable. Meant for long distances and long journeys. As you can see, it comes with saddlebags on the sides and up top. Plenty of room, plenty of space for your storage. As you can see, the bike is in very good condition and it comes fully certified. You can always come to Voss Motors to take a closer look at this bike. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at my email or at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day, Sebastian.